Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to the Phone Semantic Education. I hope all are you good. Today I need advice from you. I want to start a Q&A series, question answer series. Means a series which you can ask me a question. I will explain to you a video format, answer in a video format, right? So many people keep commenting on their faults, repairing faults, questions, doubts in comments. Most of the time, I will give each and every person reply. But sometimes when you ask a long question, so answer will be become also long. Even if I'm giving you reply, even if I'm giving you reply, but somehow you could not understand because the question is a long, the answer will become also the long. So how can I am explaining in comments? I hope you get my point. Right. For this, I have a solution. You can ask me a question, any doubts, whatever you are, can ask. Most probably you can ask me a question, sir, what is this line? How this line work? Sir, what is this circuit? How the circuit work? Sir, I have this type of problem or this type of fault in repairing phone, right? How can I trace? Or this voltage not produced? How can I solve? I will give you answer. But for this, I have a solution. You can ask me a question in comments. But when I'm saying to give me a detail, after you can record a video, a selfie video of your. In this video, you can ask me a question. Whatever you can ask for phone related. If you have a phone, repairing phone, you can ask me the question about this, how to solve any problem. Also, the circuit problems. Also, if you ask me any diagram, any line, you can ask me. But in this video, first you will tell your name, also which country from you are, how can you reach this channel of Phone Semantic Education, and how you feel about this channel for motivating me, right? After you can ask me a question, whatever you can ask, right? Any doubts. After you will send this video on phonesematic@gmail.com on my Gmail ID. After next video, Q&A video, I'll give you answer, the question answer in a video format with diagram, with the proper semantic solution, just like I'm teaching with the diagrams, with the schematics. Same, I will explain your question with diagrams so you can better understand. Right? Also, the other people watch this video. Also, the people know the answer and learn from it. I hope you get my point, what I'm saying to you. Right? So, it is more interesting, my according, for everyone. Right? A new series, a new learning, a different path for learning. So, also, it's create more bonding, our YouTube family. Hope you like this video. Hope you like this solution. If you like this solution, then comment in this video and motivate me. Right? So ask me the question on video formats. Watch your next video, a learning video. There are two type of videos in their channel. Are repairing semantic videos, also the solution videos, Q&A videos. I hope you like these type of videos. So this is the announcement. If you like this type of videos, then share, subscribe and comment. Also the like, hit the like button. Right? So thank you, love you, see you in next video. Tada, goodbye.